In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can insert a Google drawing into a Google Slides. So on the left, I have a Google drawing I did of a flower, and I want to insert this into Google Slides. There's a couple ways to do this. You could go to File, Download, and then download it as a PNG. That will preserve the transparency. But there is an easier way that avoids the whole download and then having to upload it into Drive and then insert it. Instead, go to File, Publish to the Web. You want the link, Publish, OK. I'm going to copy this, Control or Command C, and now I'm into my slides. I'm going to go to the Insert menu, Image, and choose by URL. Now I'm going to paste Command or Control V. There's my image, and now Insert. And I've inserted a Google drawing into Google Slides. And that's all there is to it. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and consider subscribing for future videos. Until next time, bye everyone.